Imagine spending $180,000 on your dream RV. The dealer hands you the keys. Everything looks perfect. 3 weeks later, you're dealing with water leaks, a dead battery, and repair appointments that take months. Here's the surprising part. Most of these problems aren't hidden because manufacturers are trying to deceive you. They're hidden because almost nobody tells first-time buyers what to check before they sign. In this video, we'll cover 7 expensive mistakes that catch thousands of new RV owners every year. And the last one can quietly cost you thousands of dollars without you even realizing it. Let's get started. Problem 7, the weight trap. The brochure says your RV can tow a vehicle. Technically, that's true. But once you fill the freshwater tank, pack camping gear, add passengers, food, bikes, and tools, many owners discover they're much closer to their weight limits than expected. Driving overloaded can affect braking, tire wear, fuel economy, and handling. Before buying any RV, ask for the actual weight sticker, not just the brochure specifications, and calculate your real travel weight. Problem number 6. Solar doesn't mean off-grid. Many buyers see roof-mounted solar panels and assume they can camp anywhere indefinitely. In reality, factory-installed solar packages are often designed to extend battery life rather than power everything in the coach. Air conditioners, microwaves, induction cooktops, and electric water heaters can drain batteries quickly. If your goal is extended off-grid camping, look beyond the solar panel size. Battery capacity, inverter output, and daily power consumption matter just as much. Problem number 5. Water damage starts small. A tiny crack in roof sealant doesn't seem like a big deal until rainwater slowly enters the walls. Months later, owners may discover soft floors, warped panels, mold, or costly structural repairs. Water intrusion is one of the most common and expensive RV issues. Regular inspections and resealing are far cheaper than major repairs. Problem number 4. Repairs can take months. Buying a brand new RV doesn't always mean immediate support. Many owners are surprised to learn that warranty work can involve long wait times, especially during peak camping season. Even simple repairs may require ordering parts and waiting for dealership appointments. Before purchasing, ask about service scheduling, parts availability, and where warranty repairs can be completed, not just the warranty length. Problem number 3. Hidden ownership costs. The monthly payment is only part of the story. There's insurance, maintenance, storage, registration, fuel, tires, routine servicing, unexpected repairs. Depending on the RV and how often you travel, annual ownership costs can add up much faster than many first-time buyers expect. Planning for these expenses can help avoid unpleasant surprises later. Problem number 2, floor plans can fool you. That spacious showroom layout feels amazing, until the slides are closed. Try imagining a quick roadside stop, a rainy travel day, or an overnight rest area. Can you still reach the bathroom? Can you prepare a meal? Can you access the refrigerator or bedroom? A beautiful floor plan isn't always a practical one when you're actually traveling. Problem number 1, depreciation starts immediately. Many people expect RVs to hold their value like homes. In reality, most motorhomes begin losing value as soon as they're purchased, with depreciation varying by brand, model, condition, maintenance, and market demand. For buyers who may upgrade after only a few years, resale value deserves as much attention as features and floor plans. Choosing a model with a strong reputation and documented maintenance history can make a meaningful difference over time. Buying an RV can be one of the most rewarding ways to travel, but the smartest owners aren't necessarily the ones who spend the most. They're the ones who know what to look for before they buy. If even one of these 7 problems helps you avoid an expensive mistake, then this video has done its job. Which of these surprised you the most? Or is there another lesson every first-time RV buyer should know? Share it in the comments. You might save someone thousands of dollars. And if you enjoy practical RV advice, buying guides, and the latest motorhome trends, subscribe so you don't miss the next video.